This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Discord JavaScript error. Follow these easy steps to fix this error. First of all, click on this Show Hidden Files icon and right click on Discord and click on Quiet Discord. Once done, click on your search icon and type here %appdata, and now you have to open the app data folder. So click on it to open, and here open the local folder, and here you will get Discord folder. So you have to delete the Discord folder from here. Once deleted, again go to app data folder and open roaming folder. Also here you have to delete Discord folder. And after quickly doing this, go to your browser and open this link discord.com/download, and all you have to need, just download Discord installer from here and reinstall your Discord app, and that's how we can solve this JavaScript error. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.